If you're visiting the United States and you meet a cute guy, a cute girl, and you want to marry that person, how long must you wait before you marry that person? Honestly, there's no magic number. I've had people marry immediately. Generally, that's not good because a visitor's visa is a non-immigrant intent visa, meaning that you're not planning to stay here. So then if you get married immediately and you file for adjustment of status, the officer is going to think that you lied when you're coming to the country. So how do you fix that? Generally, it would be best for you not to marry immediately. Get to know the person you want to marry first. Honestly, I'm saying this, you really should do that first. But what if you marry? Some people were dating, they meet each other, and the spouse, one person is pregnant, and you have a reason to stay. You can still file for adjustment of status and file for a green card, but at the green card interview, should you get an interview, you must prove to the officer that there was no misrepresentation back in your home country when you were granted a visitor's visa to come here for a short term and you overstayed. Because when the officer actually thinks that's what you did, they're not going to give you a green card. Most times you want to show them that as of the time you entered the United States, as of the time you went to your visitor's visa interview, you had zero intention of staying. However, upon arriving in the United States, something changed that made you want to stay. Something changed that now has changed that intention. In other words, the initial intention back home was genuine. You wanted to stay here for a short period. But now there has been a change in circumstance that is making you stay. Not only that, if you do get married, you must prove that the marriage is bona fide, it is real, and show every evidence to make the officer believe that you're not just marrying this guy because it's your way of staying in America, because you have to go back to your home country, or you're just not marrying this girl because it's your way of overstaying, like staying permanently in America. You want to show them that this is the person for you. This is the person you want to marry. This is a real relationship. You show that by showing that you live together. It's called cohabitation. You commingle your funds, you own a bank account together. And when you're taking your pictures for your wedding, honestly speaking, people just go and do some small wedding. Put some effort and thought into your wedding. Make it nice. Dress well. Show that it's real. Like, make it good. Propose well. Do all those things so that the officer believes that this love here cannot be separated. This family here must stay together, and they don't use the fact that you just came on a B1, B2 visa and now you're marrying an American citizen. Because if they do that, they may not grant your green card. Instead, they would deny it. But you want them to look at you and say, this couple are in love. I'm going to give them a green card. They should stay together. Okay, hopefully that helps you. So again, to answer your question, yes, you can marry someone if you come in here on a B1, B2, but please be careful to show that your initial intent was not to stay here, but something here in the United States made you stay here. Okay, like and follow for more immigration tips.